Hey guys, I'm just kidding. It's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. As usual, if you've followed our video series, it's most of the time me in the video. I wanted to bring you the Snazberry Jeep to show our containment fuel door. So our door is injection molded aluminum, has our logo on it. If you did get a JL that I think wasn't like a Fancy Sierra or a Rubicon, you'd notice that that was an open space. So you can dress it up with ours. It does come with an injection molded backer, which is the same as the upgraded Rubicon model from the OEM. Everything's there you need. It's got the detent for your cat. Very straightforward. Basically, it's a almost any tool install. They just push right in. You're going to want to remove the taillight from in the cabin. Just depress it, take your cap off, pull it off, put it back on. So very easy to use. Definitely upgrades the look. We did it for the Stinger Off-Road white JL that they have, and it was a 9-day difference. So yeah, that's it. The aluminum fuel containment cover. If you have any questions about the cover or the full fuel system, as in fuel door system, give us a call, hit us up on Facebook, Instagram. You can email too. Email's not dead, or I'll see you at a show. Thanks so much.